Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Costco application when it is stuck on the zip code screen. So if the Costco application keeps asking for your zip code and it won't move forward, first of all, you need to make sure that you have entered the zip code for your current Costco warehouse or delivery area correctly. Now, if you have done that correctly, then you just have to simply perform the reset process, in which you just have to simply go to the settings of your device. Now inside the settings, simply look for the option of app settings. Over here, tap on the option of storage and then tap on the option of clear data. So this is going to clear the apps stored setting and the session. After resetting it, you need to also close your Costco application completely. Then you just have to simply open it again, sign in back in, and then you need to just simply enter the zip code when the app is going to ask for the location and the warehouse. Now if you are still stuck, you can check the location services whether these are enabled for the Costco application in the settings, and you can temporarily turn off any of the VPNs that you are using, and it can interfere with your location and the network connection. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.